Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are looking at a 240-minute chart of gold. This has to be one of my favorite and most powerful setups here. And this is where we have a breakout of a market and that comes right back down to retest a trend line. Notice that this trend line connects the highs, especially over the past couple of days, to the previous top. Now, right now, this market has essentially come right down and retested this after the jobless claims report. Now, what's interesting is if you take this trend line and actually raise this up a little bit, you're going to find that several bars ago, this gold market really came right down and bumped up right against it and rallied off of that. So what's interesting here is that was the original reference point, and then I lowered this trend line again this morning and noticed that it lined up perfectly with recent days, and now we see we have a perfect retest that's essentially occurring right now. So what should happen is right after this retest, we should see the gold market really start to take off. I'm actually currently long this position now and expecting this position to at least test the 1685 level at some point over the next day or two. Now also notice, in addition to this, below that the value charts price window, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit, but shows on the very bottom there a moderately undervalued level, which is a lower yellow bar segments there on the value charts price window below. This indicates that the gold market is moderately undervalued as well. So combining that with the trend line retest, we really get an amazing setup here that doesn't happen very often. But when this does tend to happen, it tends to create a situation that has tremendous potential. And you can see here, we broke out, we came right back down here to the trend line, and then we are now right on it. So we've had a really rapid sell-off here due to the jobless claims report this morning. Gold really sold off rapidly, has come right down to this exact trend line and is moderately undervalued. And all this combined creates a great scenario where we should find support right in here and we should see this market go higher. So I've actually purchased several contracts in the account that I'm trading with expectations that we're going to see this market really start to rebound from this level and climb immediately. So there again, this has got to be one of my favorite setups, and this is one that I highly recommend that every trader really take a look at and keep an eye out for, because these can be very high probability, high reward, low risk trading scenarios. That's all we have for this video. Thanks for watching.